Hey guys, welcome to Eaton House Studio. My name's Chris, and today we're going to be making some festive drinks for the holiday season. So this drink is called Lively Up, the Eaton House Studio take on an espresso martini. For this drink, we've used a Bob Marley coffee. We're also using Ciroc Vodka and Kahlua. Again, any of these ingredients can be changed out to ones you can get your hands on. You want 50 ml of vodka. Now with the coffee, there's two ways of doing this. We've done a batch brew of coffee, so in that case, you want about 50 ml of coffee to get the ratios right. If you have a coffee machine at home, you just want one espresso shot because that'll be nice and thick and give you that lovely crema around the glass. You then want to take your coffee liqueur and you want 25 ml of that. Personally, I find this drink really sweet already, but if you did want, you could add some sugar syrup to the drink if you'd like it any sweeter. This is the perfect drink to keep you going well into the Christmas night. So take your glass, we've got a nice little chocolate taped to the outside of the glass there, and you want to just strain all the way through. Give it a nice little tap at the end. So a couple of options for garnish here. We've gone with a shaker filled with green and black chocolate and cinnamon, and you can just dust that really lightly over the top to give that really nice festive cheer to the cocktail. The other option we have here is we have some salted caramel popcorn. You can either put on the drink or you can just sprinkle around for the ultimate Christmas presentation. And there you have the Lively Up.